Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn how we can remove the extension that get installed in our browser. I was using Google Chrome and one of the extensions that get installed in my browser was your free cute PDF converter. I tried a couple of ways uninstalling the entire browser and reinstalling it. However, I was not able to fix the issue. I have research and I found that I need to download malware fixes in order to remove this extension, which again I was not convinced. Install while installing softwares from unsecure source or sites. The process through which we are going to remove this extension is through the registry editor, and all we need is the extension ID. So today I'm going to show you how we will get the extension ID of any of the extensions and then remove it from the registry editor. So in order to do so, what you need to do is, first of all, you need to collect the extension ID. I have the registry editor already open. So this is the Google Chrome page. I have click on the three triple dot and choose more tools, and from the extensions this page will load up. This is the page where we'll get all the list of extensions. This is the default page which will give you an option to remove. Couple of times you will not find the remove option out here, or else even if you remove, the extension doesn't get removed from your browser. In that scenario, you can go to the detail option and get the extension ID. This is the extension ID. We'll collect the extension ID and go to the registry editor, search for this extension ID, and we'll delete. Make sure you do a full computer search rather than to a particular folder. You can check the unwanted extension from the registry editor, and you can delete the one which is not required. There will be multiple locations wherein the extension ID gets stored. You can reconfirm by searching it once again in registry editor. So once you delete this extension, restart your computer and that will fix your issue. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.